Now, the exercise number 8, how to create effective affirmations. Now, what I explain in the book is that as the visualization, the common thing with affirmation and visualization is that you need to feel it. You need to find the feeling. So now the affirmation, when you find the feeling, then you put words into it, and that's the affirmation sentence. We want to feel what we're saying when we are saying the affirmation. The difference between the affirmation that does not work and the affirmation that does work is whether you are connecting with what you're saying intentionally and feeling it every time you say it or not. For a lot of people who do affirmations very mindlessly, you can hear, oh, well, that doesn't work. I don't know if it's working, but I'm just saying it. But for it to actually work, you need to bring in the feeling. And when you are having that feeling in your body, then your body believes it's true. Whatever's in your mind, your body believes it's true. Now, if I connect my mind with the words that I'm saying, with the feeling in my body, that is a combination where it's going to create something. That is a combination that you want to actually create it, to actually make it true. That's one thing.